Joe had suspicions about his wife, Giovanna, sneaking food from their kitchen, so he took matters into his own hands and installed a hidden camera to catch her in the act. However, what he uncovered was far more poignant and heartwarming than any covert midnight snack. Instead of finding evidence of food theft, Joe was astonished to witness Giovanna tenderly caring for two young children in their bedroom. Before we let you know what is happening, help us out by clicking the like button, and also be sure to subscribe and click the notification button so you don't miss our future videos. Confusion and disbelief flooded Joe's mind as he watched the footage. He had never seen these children before, and he couldn't fathom why Giovanna would be tending to them in secret. His initial shock soon gave way to a whirlwind of emotions, curiosity, concern, and eventually a profound sense of admiration for his wife's selflessness. As the footage unfolded, Joe observed Giovanna's gentle interactions with the children, her loving gestures, and the care she provided to them. It became clear that these were not random children, but rather Giovanna's long-lost siblings, whom she had taken in after their mother's tragic demise. Overwhelmed with emotion, Joe realized the depth of Giovanna's love and sacrifice. Despite her own challenging upbringing and the absence of her biological family, Giovanna had opened her heart and home to her siblings, offering them the love and care they desperately needed. In the days that followed, Joe and Giovanna had a heart-to-heart conversation where she tearfully revealed the truth about her siblings and the difficult circumstances that led her to care for them in secret. She explained how she had been contacted by the orphanage where she grew up, informing her of her mother's passing and the newfound responsibility of caring for her siblings. Moved by Giovanna's resilience and compassion, Joe's heart swelled with pride for his wife. He realized that her actions were a testament to her unwavering commitment to family and her capacity for unconditional love. Together, Joe and Giovanna embraced their newfound role as guardians to her siblings, welcoming them into their home with open arms. They navigated the challenges and joys of parenting together, strengthening their bond as a couple and building a loving and supportive family unit. In the end, Joe's suspicions had led to a profound revelation, not of betrayal or deceit, but of the depth of Giovanna's love and the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. As they embarked on this new chapter of their lives together, Joe and Giovanna knew that their love and devotion would guide them through whatever challenges lay ahead.